Hello, everyone over there at Michael's Glass Company. My name is Charles Marine. I work with Warley Digital. We're a company based in Philadelphia that helps businesses grow through online methods, website design, search engine optimization, and also social media management. Marketing, sorry. The reason I was gonna make you this video was actually to just have a look at your website and see how you can optimize it better for Google. Now, I have to admit this is the first time I've done this, but actually I was analyzing your website. I use a tool called Ahrefs, and whoever does your website, whoever's done the SEO part of things, has done a really good job. I have to admit, you do not need my help at all. You're ranking very high in for certain keywords, so I'm sure you're benefiting a lot from your online traffic. I would just only try and work on your domain rating here so that you can get the UR/DR ratio of 1. This is just basically the strength and the trust that Google gives your site. However, like you can see here, you're ranking for about 3,800 keywords. Your backlinks are healthy even compared to your competitors. I was researching your competitors. You're getting a lot of traffic from even national keywords, not just local keywords. You're getting, for example, glass Philadelphia or glass showers. 2,200 people search for that per month. You get about 23 because you're in the first position. So the position is what I'm looking at the most, and I can see that you're ranking pretty high, which tells me a lot about whoever's done your SEO or done your built your website. So I guess all I have to say is congratulations to you guys. Keep on keep on growing. If you know anyone who could use digital marketing services, especially search engine optimization, preferably not in your niche because we don't want to you don't want to conflict with anyone. But if you know of anyone who can benefit from what I have and what I do, please don't hesitate to refer me. That's all I'm gonna ask. Otherwise, thank you for your time. Once again, I'm Charles. Actually, I think I can offer you just one thing because I can see your gallery, or at least your pictures are just all still pictures. Um, we do. I say they're just still pictures. This is a new product that we're featuring this year, starting this year, this January. We call them virtual tours, and I try to market these to a lot of home remodelers to show either before and after work of their before and after their quality work. That's how I'm trying to help local businesses market themselves even better with these tours. So it's a 360 virtual tour. We do it in conjunction with a company called Momentum Digital. I'm sorry. And that's the only thing. If you might be interested in creating virtual tours for your galleries, or any pictures you might have on site, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Once again, I'm Charles with Warley Digital. Here's my phone number and my email address. Thank you very much.